Okay, so how old's this baby? She's been alive for 1 million seconds, and we need to know how many days. So if we take our 1 million seconds and divide it by 60, that will tell us how many minutes she's been alive. It's divided by because it's going to get smaller, and 1 million divided by 60 is 116,666.67, and that's minutes. Now if we divide that by 60, there are 60 minutes in an hour, so we're going to get the number of hours, and that works out as 277.78. I'm rounding to the second decimal place, so it's 277.77777, so we're going 277.78, and that is the number of hours. And finally, if we divide by 24, because there are 24 hours in a day, then we get the age of the baby in days. So 277.78 divided by 24 is 11.57. So I think, strictly speaking, we would need to write 12 days.